Unconscious bias. Today I'm going to showcase different lessons that you can use to teach this topic using Articulate 360. This build comes with a responsive design, so you can access it from any device. Today we're going to use desktop. So we start with a motivational quote, and it goes into a mix of images and content, leveraging lists to break up the information and manage expectations, and then immediately going into interactive learning design. This helps break up the information so that it's easier for the learner to retain. So those are interactive tabs, and these are drop down. Here we're going to get into the scenario-based training where the avatar actually reacts to the responses. And you can allow them to try again, and they'll celebrate it with positive feedback. Here you can add true and false, more quotes, and this is a labeled graphic. And then a matching quiz so they can actually apply the information. And here we're showcasing the next steps of what to do if you see or experience unconscious bias. And it's interactive. This is also really good for onboarding or software training. You can add additional resources such as a digital download or something that is printable, and we can design this as well. And then a multiple choice to make sure they actually read the download. And this is an example of the customized content that can be imported. So this is a video that comes with a green screen in the back, so you can actually import your own office, branding, or logo. It can also be accessible design by adding captions. And then a congratulations, and of course you can capture the learning experience by offering them a survey, more training, or additional resources like a guide. And you can also schedule more training or get in touch with the team, but you can change what you want the call to action to be on the buttons and where it links to. So whether you need help with a refresher or net new content, get in touch and let me know how I can help.